With tax season now in full swing, the chance of falling victim to a scam can increase if you're not careful. WHLT's Katie Rowe explains this risk is even higher in our area this tax season.
It comes around every year, but with every new tax season comes new ways to fall victim of a scam. Cynthia Holland with Holland's Tax Service tells us these scam artists are targeting their victims by phone, pretending to be the IRS.
The IRS will never call you. They'll never send you a text message. They're not going to email you. The IRS is going to notify you through mail, and they'll already have your information.
And if you're not careful, the person preparing your taxes could really be a scam artist.
Because those kind of people are still in the Social Security cards. The next year they show up somewhere else.
Which can fall back on the victim in more ways than one. Some preparers will add deductions or a business to tax returns.
But when you sign off on that, you're signing your paper and you take full responsibility for any money that needs to be paid back from that kind of fraud.
And right here in the Pine Belt, people affected by January's tornadoes especially need to be on high alert of new scams. Holland says disaster areas are a hot spot for scammers.
If FEMA or MEMA has not given you any kind of instructions that has anything to do with your taxes, then don't fall for those schemes.
Holland also wants people dealing with FEMA or storm insurance to be mindful of what they can and can't write off.
Because that would be what they call double dipping and actually fraud. So people needs to be very aware that you can't double claim these expenses from the storm.
The last day to file your taxes is April 18th. Connecting to Pine Belt News, Katie Rowe, WHLT 22.
The final day to file your taxes will be extended for people in the disaster area from anywhere to 3 to 6 months.